Hi guys, it's your girl Sin. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So today's video is going to be on my updated curly hair routine only using Jamaican mango and lime hair care products. So I'm going to go ahead and use their coconut milk and honey shampoo, which is my favorite shampoo so far. I'm going to go ahead and use a dime size and lather that in my hair. What I love about their products is that it smells absolutely amazing. It does smell like coconuts and it does smell like honey. And I also love that it does not leave my hair feeling so straw-like. It does not contain sulfate because sulfate is pretty actually bad for your hair. I'm going to go ahead and use the coconut buttercream, and this is a conditioner. This is actually my favorite conditioner so far. I've used other products, but I always go back to my Jamaican mango and lime. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that all throughout my hair, and I'm also going to go ahead and leave it for about 5 minutes because I like to let it just soak in, just to keep my hair really nice and conditioned. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the coconut and milk leave-in detangler. I did have a problem using the knob, but it's not of a big deal. But I do go ahead and put that in my hair, and then I do take a comb, and then I do go ahead and detangle my hair. So this is my hair out of just the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jamaican mango and lime hemp oil. They actually sent me these products just to go ahead and test out for you guys. This is actually my 5th time actually using this product, and I love it. It is not thick like castor oil. It absolutely leaves a lightweight feeling to my hair, which I really love. And I'm going to go ahead and use that all throughout my hair, all the way from the root all the way to the tips of my hair. It's very important to keep your hair moisturized. Here in Miami, the weather is brutally hot, so I like to keep my hair extremely moisturized because it's really hot and it's dry in Miami. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the curling gel. It's a curl definer from Jamaican mango and lime, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to create my curls. This consistency doesn't leave your curls really flaky or crusty, which I really hate products that do that. It actually keeps my curls really soft and light throughout the day, which I love, because that crispy, white, crunchy look, I hate when my curls look like that. So this is the first curl, and I'm going to go ahead and create this process all throughout my hair. So you want to create the curl from the root of your hair all the way down. So I'm using a kind of a finger coil movement to go ahead and create my curls. So as you can see, these are the first 2 curls that I've created, which are kind of like my bangs. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the back now. So starting from the back going forward, which is simply easier for me. What I used to do before was that I used to just part my hair in 4 sections, but I kind of stopped doing that process because it was actually a more natural look if I just took random pieces and just started to create a curl. If you go back to my first video, which is my curl routine as well, you will see that I did it very uniform and the curls came out very uniform. It didn't give me a natural look, so I just decided that for now on and moving forward, that I was going to go ahead and just take random sections and just go ahead and create a finger coil. So I'm starting from the root of my hair, and then I'm taking the curl down, if that makes any sense. So it's simply a finger curl starting from the root. This process took me about an hour and a half. If you go back to my first video on my curly routine, it took me almost like 2 hours. Like I said, this is not uniform. This is just taking random pieces and just finger coiling them, which is a lot faster. I find that it's a lot more natural. As you guys can see, there is a white film or like crusty look that goes away within 5 minutes. That is why I love Jamaican mango and lime products, because they don't leave your hair so crusty, and it actually leaves my curls really soft for days. Some products that you use, it'll kind of make your hair soft the first day, or after a couple of days, it'll leave your hair looking really crispy and very like not cute. So as you can see, I have finished half of my head. So this is kind of like what it looks like with my hair still kind of damp still, but as it dries, my hair will get bigger. So this is the comparison between the curls and just my natural state. So I'm going to go ahead and create more curls on the other side. So now I'm getting closer to the front of my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to finger coil. This style actually lasts me about a week. Yes, ladies, a week. So what I would do when I go to sleep was just put a silk bonnet on and then just go to sleep. It does not crush my curls. It does not, you know, damage my curls. Just long as it's a silk and not a cotton bonnet, you'll be absolutely fine. I also want you guys to go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the bell button so you guys can be updated when I do post more videos, because you guys seem to like all of my hair updates or all of my curly routines or anything having to do with my hair. So if you want to stay in the loop, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you guys stay connected with me. So this is pretty much the final look when my hair is pretty much a little bit damp. It hasn't dried, so this is how it looks, like a wet puppy dog. So I'm going to go ahead and just massage my scalp just a little bit with the Jamaican mango and lime hemp oil, just to go ahead and just create some blood circulation. By massaging and creating blood circulation, that aids in hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and just massage just a little bit. So this is how it looks, kind of damp like I said before. So I'm kind of like positioning where I want my hair. Do I want a middle part or a side part or just bangs? So I'm not really sure, so I'm just going to go ahead and play with it just a little bit. And I wish I had my diffuser. It broke. So I do not have a diffuser, so I'm going to go ahead and use a pick just to go ahead and raise the roots just a little bit so it can be just a little bit bigger, because right now it's looking like a wet puppy dog. So I'm going to go ahead and use a pick. I do carry this pick with me all the time just to go ahead and just make my hair just a tad bit bigger to give me that big curly head effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick my roots just a little bit. So yes, girls, carry that pick inside of your bags or your clutch because it comes in handy. And this is the final look. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell button so you guys know exactly when I upload, so you guys can get notified. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.